we are getting picked up for our transport to Gili now, so I'm excited. What up, Roosty boys?
Back to adventures, making videos.
It's been a while.
It's been such a long while.
This side? Good morning!
No,
Who's got birthday soon?
I know.
It's tomorrow, right?
No, I told you.
I thought everyone forgot.
No.
With Lila.
Hello.
Sarah. Adam. Lila is excited.
Yeah.
Ready for some blue ass water?
Yeah, blessed water and white sand.
Yeah. It's about time, guys. It's been a while. How excited are you?
I'm so excited. Beach time.
Yeah.
Beach.
Yeah, we at home. It's water now.
Yeah. Alright, guys. We are at the pier now, on the way to the boat. I'm very excited. It's gonna be 1.5 hours, and Noor is always excited to be on a boat. She was actually disappointed that it was
3 hours.
1.5 instead of 3 hours.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, Noor is
I
very
love being
sad.
in a boat.
Yeah, but we're going to paradise, so I'm happy about it. All right, this is our boat. This is the one that's gonna take us safely over there. So let's see how that goes.
Honey.
Breakfast?
Breakfast bintang, only 1 bottle. Can't, I'm on a diet. I'm sorry, or else I really would.
Alright guys, we have arrived in paradise.
We have! Woo!
Nice. Look at that water, that's insane.
It is insane. Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh fuck, that's so beautiful! Oh my god!
Welcome to paradise, Adam.
It is paradise, homie.
Yeah. There's no other transport than horses and bicycles. It's
Amazing! It's fucking amazing!
Wow. Wow, that is a big mosque. She knows. I love how we just went on this little tiny road. Wow. So this is the way to the place we're staying, apparently. I swear to God, guys, it's raining and it's a clear sky. What's going on? What is going on?
I know, it's amazing. It's a miracle.
There.
Big bastard over there, I didn't see it.
Here we are. You can see we have the pool, tropical theme. This. And then, wow, look inside here. We have a big bed. I love the bamboo theme on everything. Yeah, it's pretty basic, but it's a good price for it as well. So yes. So let's have a little game. Let's guess who's gonna have which bike.
Yeah.
The pink one.
It's Ole for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Ole's favorite color is blue.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have that one. We're having a bike measuring competition now.
Yeah, mine is bigger and I'm smaller.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. All right.
Do you want to take the pink one?
No.
Please take the pink one.
No.
Please.
No. Not a chance. We're back on the main road. Okay. I have no clue. It's to the right, so we're going back to by the beach, back where we came from. Wow, this is such such an unstable bike, but let's hope for the best, guys. You can do it, Noor. We made it back to the main place, and there you go. Look at this, down by the water. Look at this amazing color right here. And Noor is far off into the distance there. It's so fun to watch. This is a hard one to ride. Hello! There they are, and Norris over somewhere else. Yeah! Where's Nor? Nor! And she's gone. She's on her way back. Like, look at this. Just the feeling of being here in general is, oh, I love the vibe. Yeah, I love the vibe. Like I've been saying for so long that I know Bali is a paradise, but also here as well is really, really beautiful. Fat cat, yeah. There. I saw him yelling at me, so here we are. Guys, look at this place. Fat cat. Woo! Meow! Here we go.
Hey! Hello!
So it is 45k, but it's also some of the best I've had of mealboarding. It looks like it's sizable now.
Oh! Oh,
Delicioso! So funny, Norris just finishing up
To the
the
left!
plate.
Come on! Are you kidding me?
Is it good?
What do you think?
This directly in front. Wow, this is freaking insane, guys. I'm sorry if it's a little bit windy here, but that's just the way it is. It's kind of a windy day. But my first impressions here in Gili is, wow, what an island. I just love that it's so quiet, like there's no cars, there's only the horses, and we're running around on the bicycle all day, and it's such a nice experience. And if you look there, we have such amazing colors as well. It's just like popping out, and I think if you want to have a weekend getaway, then I think Gili is such an amazing place. So we are gonna explore some more. Just had an amazing, yes, I'm saying amazing a lot, but I'm running out of words. I'm looking forward to jump in the water and test out some more of it, see what it's like. If we're swimming, hell yeah, let's do this. Wow. Oh, that feels really good.
It feels so good.
Temperature is amazing. It's comfortable.
Very comfortable. It's so good.
Like the color, like everything is so clear. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. You can have a little view here with all the boats. And I'm not sure which island that is. Is it Gili?
I think it's the
Gili Air? Gili Air, probably.
Yeah.
It's Gili Meno. Wow. Oh my god, it feels so good.
I feel so good. It's even better than Lombok.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, way better.
So good.
Oh, it's so good.
Like guys, you don't understand. Like the water feels so
so
good.
Like,
It's like a gentle massage.
exactly.
Yeah.
That is exactly how it feels. Like
Yeah.
literally.
Yeah.
But like with a bright turquoise color.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know how to explain it other than it just feels just so right.
Right.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say right.
Hell yeah.
It feels right.
God. There Norris. Guys, we are back at our trusty bike, moving. Yeah, I'm doing that. That's your
Okay.
gracefully getting on it.
It's so gracefully.
Yeah.
You know how easy this bike is to ride?
Yes, it looks so
Super easy.
looks really comfortable.
Yeah, very comfortable.
All right, let's go explore.
Is there another Turkish person here?
Nur-
Yeah, that way?
Yeah.
Let's go get Turkish kebab. Ah!
Yeah.
I fucking love it. It's the best thing ever.
Alright.
It's literally the best food in the world.
Turkish kebab.
Yeah. Let's do it.
As we're on a deserted island, yeah, let's do that.
I mean, it looks like there's another Turkish person here.
All right.
Weirdly enough.
I guess we have a quest now. Find the one other Turkish person on this island. As I'm trying to get this bike started with one hand. There you go. Everyone is so chilled. Oh, we're back at the harbor.
Wait, so
sorry man.
Found it. See if we can park this bike. Hell yeah.
we did it.
Hell yeah. Here we are, Istanbul Kebab. I want to say kebab, but she says kebab.
It's called kebab in Arabic.
Kebab.
Kebab.
Free, no shoes.
Yeah.
Who needs shoes? Look at this. Gonna have this place. Oh my god, so beautiful, colorful. Feisty warrior cactus. That. As she's devouring it. 85k?
Yeah.
Worth it?
It's really worth it because it's really worth it.
Yeah, I think the cat really thinks it's worth it as well. So it's living up to your expectation?
So fucking good.
Yeah?
So good.
Wow. Hi kitty. I guess you're not supposed to be on the table, but that's okay because I'm not gonna kick you down. Cause you're a little kitty cat. Focus on the road. Let's not have any accidents. Wow. There's a lot of like really upscale places here as well.
Yeah.
Now it seems like we're getting into the more expensive part of the island, like this more
Chill, empty.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, but like in terms of you have expensive villas and yeah, but everything is quiet here as we're almost crashing, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. Like it wouldn't be that bad. We would just like bump and then we go in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Or we crash really hard, but
How
that's
are we
just
gonna crash really hard? Like biking on like 5 kilometers per hour?
oh, I think 10 maybe.
Is that really 10?
8.
Okay.
Are we
specific.
are we negotiating speed right now?
Yeah, we
We're
are.
negotiating. Wow, this is so nice.
Wow, did you see this bridge? We can go bike on that bridge. It
Yeah.
looks really nice.
Yeah.
Do you want to bike on it when we're coming back?
Yeah, so it feels like there's a lot of new places being built and it seems like it's a very up and coming and I think they're prepared. Wow. Look at this. You have like beach hammocks, everything.
Beautiful place. The Exile Bar.
Wow.
Yeah, we come here for sunset.
Wow. Yeah, there's so many beautiful places here. Yeah, it looks like this would be a good spot for sunset. Sun is right there, so no potholes, otherwise we're screwed. So we're in for the ride, guys. Wow. Oh shit. Oh no, no!
Yeah, be careful.
The chain. Yeah. Wow, guys. We've been driving past some places here that looks insane. Like some big villas with massive pools, statues, fountains, stuff. Yeah, I did not expect this island to be as developed as it is right here. Like as we're driving past here, look at that. Wow. Oh, look at that, they have a net. Wow, I think at this point we must be pretty close to being around to where we started. So because I've heard from someone that it takes about half an hour, maybe less if you're fast, but around half an hour to go all around the island. But yeah, we're not in a rush, and I also can't because this bike is kind of struggling, so therefore I'm being forced to, which in a good way, where I can just enjoy the island life, which I do really enjoy, to be honest.
Guys, like we're literally in the middle of a jungle. 1 second we were in front of the sea, the ocean, and the next we're in the jungle. And what a life, what a life. And I have this man here fixing my bike.
Man.
This beautiful man.
There we go. That's it. Go guys, and we're back at the sea again. It looks like we are almost back at this point, because that's Gili I think it is. Second time that Norris bike.
No, Ollie fucks up his pink bike.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, I fuck it up. Yeah. Let's try to fix it. So we are almost back home. Beautiful. Wow, it's like completely off now.
Yeah.
There you go. There, let's see.
Yeah, look at this. Traveler mechanic.
Yeah, look at this.
Whoop.
Alright. Look at this. Wow guys, now we've been around the entire island. It's probably around 30 minutes or so to get around. Like, of course, if you want, you can bike faster, but this bike kind of forces you to go a little bit slower, so that's where we're at the moment. So we are back right now, so we're thinking about heading out to a place for sunset to explore some of it. So this was our first impressions of Gili, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.